Now let's see how we can actually compare models. Let's say for our interview prep, we want to implement some persistence of previous chats. So we want to save all the chats with all the messages in local storage. And we want to come back and see previous chat, like open it and maybe continue conversation in that chat. So let's write a prompt for that. Implement local storage persistence. We need to save all chats to the local storage with all the messages and all the images. I want to be able to see all previous chats. I want to be able to open it and continue chat. So, and let's say I want to test multiple models. I can click on model name. I can click use multiple models. And now I can select, for example, I want to use Sonnet, I want to use GPT 4.5, and then I want to use Composer as well. I can also select how many of runs of each model I can do. So if you want to test multiple implementations of the same model, you can do it as well. So in our case, let's test 3 different models and let's run the prompt with them. You can see that 3 agents are running in parallel. I assume Composer 1 is way ahead because of its speed. We can see that Composer 1 has finished its job. If you want to see the changes, you can click Review here, and then you will see the changes done by this specific agent. Cursor works using Git work trees. It means that it doesn't affect your main code base when running multiple models. But if you click Apply All, it will apply all the changes from this agent to your main code base. And now you can see the changes in your development server. You see that now we have this chat history, we have new chat. So I assume we're now in new chat, just starting interview. Okay, I'm just typing some random text here. New chat. Okay, so we see the list of chats here. We can refresh the page and they are still here, which is fine. Test delete. Okay, we can delete chats. So looks quite good. Let's see what other models have implemented. We see that Sonnet has finished as well. So what we need to do now is we need to undo apply, which will revert the changes from Composer. Then we need to switch to Sonnet, and we need to apply all to Sonnet now. And then we go to our website, and you see a bit different implementation. We have chat history here, and it appears here as a sidebar. If I start new chat, we can see it appear here. It also has this delete button. We can delete it. Now we see that Codex is finished as well. So we do undo apply for Sonnet. We switch to Codex. We click apply all. Now you see how chat history looks in Codex implementation. We can click new. I guess we are here. Adding some random text. So nice that it displays job description here. Okay, so I can't delete chats, but I can quite easily switch between them. So I would say I like implementation of Composer 1 the most, to be honest. So let's undo apply, go to Composer, apply all. Okay, so let's stick with this implementation. Let's add some chat, for example. Cool. Now, how do I review the changes? So first, when we switch between agents, we can see the actual code here and we can see the difference. For example, Composer decided to add the limit to number of chats to prevent the issues. In Sonnet, there is no such limit. You can see amount of comments Composer is adding and also Sonnet is adding. But if you switch to GPT-5 Codex, you see almost no comments added to the code. So it depends on what you prefer. If you want more comments in context, you can just stick with one of those because, as I said, different models, they have different styles and you might prefer one or another. Now, once you're happy with the changes, you selected these results from this agent. If you have your project published on GitHub, you can create pull request straight from Cursor. Just click create PR here, and you see that pre-filled PR will be created with all the changes. Now you can review all these changes yourself manually, or your teammate can review them, or you have AI such as Cursor, Bugbot, or Cloud Code or Codex installed on your GitHub repository to review these changes for you.